Storm Tracker weather starts now with meteorologist Joey Bianconi.
Welcome back, everybody. Happy Friday. I sure was glad it snowed yesterday. It feels more like winter now than winter felt all winter, and that's due to this very potent center of low sticking around here. It's very stationary over northeast Montana right now. We're in an atmospheric blocking pattern, and this will stay for the next few days, generating snow showers through the weekend and even into early next week. So we already have a few snow showers forming along the international border. A few showers working their way across the Missoula Valley as well. We have winter weather advisories to tell you about and winter storm warnings. First, we're going to start off in the Bear Paw Mountains and the Little Rockies. Up to 10 inches of snow to fall through noon tomorrow in those regions, even the lower elevations, 1 to 3 inches. 1 to 3 inches along the Highline, Cut Bank, Chester, Havre, Fort Belknap. Could see wind gusts up to 50 miles an hour, too. Prepare for some reduced visibility as that snow is coming down. Even into northeast Montana, winter weather advisory, Glasgow, Circle, Glendive, Plentywood. Again, maybe up to an inch or two of snow, and then the wind gusts up to 50 miles an hour. Winter weather advisory is continuing for the mountains around Helena. The winter weather advisory for the valley has been canceled, but we will still see some snow showers around even into the lower elevations. Notice the valleys, Buttes out towards Deer Lodge, Anaconda, and then eventually out towards the Missoula and Hamilton areas as well. Up to 3 inches in the valleys, with some of the mountain ranges getting up to 10 inches. So more snow will start to work its way into the northern portion of the state this morning. We will start to see some snow shower activity pop near Cut Bank and Havre within the next couple of hours. Great Falls could see on and off snow throughout the day today. Helena will have some snow showers around noontime. We'll have especially around in the mountains. The valley may get a little bit of a quick burst of snow as well. I don't expect as much accumulation in Helena as we had yesterday, but overall could see some snow falling. Now, Great Falls on and off snow throughout the afternoon. A little bit less activity heading into Saturday, but another wave of moisture will be coming through on Sunday, which may bring some snow showers back to the lower elevations. Just some snow along the Continental Divide Saturday afternoon before most of that activity subsides into Saturday night. So snow to come. Maybe about 1 to 3 inches here along the Continental Divide, a little bit more in some isolated spots. We already went over the snow totals for the central mountain ranges here, but even going into next week, we'll have rounds upon rounds of snow showers Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, even into Wednesday, which will accumulate some pretty significant snow totals into the mountains, which is very, very good news here. So wind speed, not too bad right now in the Helena Great Falls area, but it's pretty windy out into the Highline and northeast Montana. Already some gusts over 20 to 30 miles an hour, and we will continue to see that wind increase into this afternoon, especially into the plains of eastern Montana here. A lake wind advisory for Fort Peck Lake, gusts up to 45 miles an hour there. 50 mile an hour gusts with that snow falling will create some blowing snow concerns up there as well. Snow continuing, wind rather, continuing out of the north and east throughout the weekend. An east wind in eastern Montana on Sunday, northeast wind in Great Falls, and we will continue to see that northerly flow feed some colder air into the state. We're in the 20s and 30s across the area right now, and we're only going to warm up into the upper 30s to low 40s today. It's going to be a colder day, 40 in Helena, 38 in Great Falls, and we could even be looking at some potential record low temperatures tomorrow. It's going to be in the teens and 20s across the state. Here are some of the areas that are going to be very close to breaking records, and that does include us here in Helena and Great Falls. So something to watch out for. Make sure you cover those sensitive vegetation if you have any outside, because I know a lot of people have planned it. Here's a look at the next 7 days. We'll be slowly warming next week.